Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, the alien who still doesn't understand why humans sleep inside boxes.
You mean houses, Blip?
Yes, big, colorful boxes with windows and roofs. Why do humans live in them?
That's what we'll learn today. In this episode, we'll talk about houses, where humans live, what's inside, and how to describe them in English.
Perfect. I need to know before I buy my first Earth box.
Let's start our English lesson. Let's learn about rooms in a house. A room is a part of the house with a specific purpose.
Like the command center in my spaceship?
Yes. Here are some common rooms. Living room, where people relax and watch TV. Kitchen, where people cook. Bedroom, where people sleep. Bathroom, where people take a shower. Dining room, where people eat.
So many rooms. Humans are very organized.
Yes, each room has its job.
Can I have a room just for snacks?
Sure, you can call it the snack room. Let's look at what's inside each room.
Ooh, furniture and objects.
Exactly. In the living room, you might find a sofa, a TV, a lamp, a table. In the kitchen, there are a stove, a refrigerator, plates, cups, and spoons.
And snacks, right?
Of course. In the bedroom, a bed, a pillow, a closet, maybe a desk. In the bathroom, a sink, a toilet, a shower.
Ah, so that's what a toilet is. I saw one in the restaurant and thought it was a water chair.
Definitely not for sitting too long, Blip. Let's learn how to describe a house in English.
Yes, so I can describe mine.
We say things like, my house is big. I live in an apartment. There are 3 rooms in my house. My bedroom is small but cozy.
Let me try. My spaceship has 2 rooms, control room and snack room.
Perfect! That's the right structure. Outside the house, we have things like a garden, a garage, a door, windows, a roof.
Humans decorate their houses too.
Yes, some people have flowers, lights, or fences.
Can I decorate mine with laser lights?
Maybe not lasers, Blip, but fairy lights look nice. There are many types of homes. House, one family lives there. Apartment, many people in one building. Cottage, small, cozy house in the countryside. Mansion, big, luxurious house. Cabin, small wooden house, usually near nature.
What about spaceship condo?
Ooh, that's new. You might start a trend. Let's practice a short dialogue about houses. Blip, where do you live?
I live in a spaceship near the moon.
Wow! How many rooms are there?
Only 2, control room and snack room.
Do you have a bed?
I sleep in a floating pod. It's like a space hammock.
That sounds fun! Humans usually sleep in a bed.
I tried a bed once. Too soft. I bounced for 3 hours.
You're full of energy, Blip. Let's review what we learned today. House, bedroom, living room, bathroom, dining room, kitchen, door, window, garden, chair, closet.
Now I know houses are like human-sized space stations.
Exactly. And now you can talk about your house in English. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about houses on Earth.
Now I understand why humans love their homes. They're cozy and full of snacks.
Yes, a house is more than walls. It's a place of comfort.
Thank you, Stella. Next time, can we learn about how humans have fun at home?
That's a wonderful idea, Blip. Maybe we'll learn about hobbies.
Yay! But first, I'll decorate my space house with fairy lights.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.